Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see Kerala unni Appam. For this take a cup of raw rice. To this add a tablespoon of split black gram, that is urad dal, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and that is methi. Clean this with water and soak this in water for at least 2 hours. This is after 2 hours. Let us drain the water and grind this into a fine paste. The batter has to be thick, so adjust the water accordingly. The batter has to be thick like this. To this add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. We have to leave this for fermentation for at least 8 hours. To start preparing, let us take a cup of jaggery. We are going to melt the jaggery, so add a little water, about 1/4 cup. Here the jaggery has completely melted. It has to become little thick. The consistency of the jaggery should be like this. It has to be little thick. To remove any impurities, let us filter this once. This is my batter after 8 hours. It got fermented. If you can see, the batter is so thick. We are going to add jaggery, so your batter has to be like this. To this, let us add a 1/4 cup of scraped coconut and a huge pinch of cardamom powder. Finally, add the milk and jaggery and give a nice mix. If you find the batter to be a little loose, you can always add some rice flour. You have to adjust the rice flour according to the batter's consistency. The consistency of the batter has to be like this. Here I am going to use an Appam pan or paniyaram pan. Add some ghee and pour the batter. If you don't have this type of pan, you can always use a normal pan. In that case, you have to pour the batter little by little inside the hot oil. Close this and cook properly. Let us flip this now. This is ready. You can take it out now. For the next set, we are going to use some bananas. Pour some ghee in the Appam pan. Pour a little amount of water and place a small banana piece in the middle. Close this with the batter again. Close this with the lid and cook properly. One side is ready. Let us flip this now. Our unni Appam is ready. This is a very healthy snacks for kids. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.